What's up, everyone? It's Steve Kufeld here. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And for this week, we are going to be talking about codepen, which is music to the ears of, I'm guessing, coders. I'm not really a coder, but it was awesome learning about it. And all it is pretty much a testing application for code snippets. So right here, I just did pretty much a basic code pen with HTML, that's a type of code, CSS type of code, and JavaScript, the code that all Penn State students pretty much have to learn if you're an IST major. And I pretty much just did a week 4 reflection. I wrote a little about just codepen, what it is, what you should expect from it. My YouTube video that I'm recording right now is going to pop right here if you guys want to check it out later. And then the link for codepen Fork Lab 4, which I'm also going to dive into. But before I do that, I just want to talk about codepen. I already wrote it up, but I'll talk about it for a bit. It's pretty much an application that allows you to do all three. HTML is the actual content. CSS is things like background. Like you could do funny GIFs, like I did Homer Simpson running, having a time. Or like you could do different colors and fonts. And JavaScript is just to go more advanced into it. I'm not really the greatest coder, so I kind of just took it very easy. And over here is just pretty much basic code with HTML, talking about the video link and my response. And I'm going to come over here and hit lab 4, show you guys what that's about. Pull it up. I created one of these. I created my resume. I always thought this was just a funny, cool GIF. And it's pretty much just talking about my hobbies, basketball. Let me scroll down. I'll show you where I wrote it. Over here, I did class equals head hobbies, learn about basketball, fantasy, relaxing, watching TV. But you guys pretty much get the point where it's all things about me. It's just a resume on code form, just trying it out. So I'm going to pull that down here. So going back to the main point, all this code, it's just very cool to see. It was very interesting to learn. It literally took me, I would probably say, 30 minutes to actually grasp the concept and understand, hey, like this is how you do very basic code. Like this is great for someone that's working on a project in NetApps, I would probably say, and be like, hey, let me see if this Java works on this application on codepen. If it's not, it'll probably show me a response because it shows you mistakes. And that's pretty much it. This is a very short video, and I mostly did the work for this week in this. So I thank you guys. I'll see you next week, and have a wonderful Sunday night. Hope all is well.